Hey guys, how to install Grammarly extension. So go ahead to your Google and search for Grammarly extension, and depending on your browser, you're gonna go ahead to the extension, right? If you're using Firefox, just go for Grammarly for Firefox for different browsers, right? So in my case, I use Chrome, so I'm gonna hit Grammarly for Chrome, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit Get Grammarly. Sign up with your account. Okay, so I'm gonna go rapid fire because the step is usually the step requires usually your account and password, so take your time while preparing to log in with your account. Okay, and once you're in, you gotta just install Grammarly extension. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the extension. Okay, I'm gonna hit install now. It's gonna take me to the Grammarly or to the Chrome web store, and then what you're gonna do, just hit add to Chrome. You're gonna wait for a few moments, right? And hit download. Okay, this is in Arabic, so just go ahead and hit add to Chrome and confirm that you want to download the Grammarly. Okay, and basically you're gonna see the extension at the top. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. That's all now.